We're solving an equation here, so we're going to use good old PEMDAS, but in reverse. I'm going to look at this side of the equation and ask myself if there's anything to add or subtract. I see a 9 there, so I'll add that 9 to both sides, giving me x to the 2/3 equals 7 plus 9, which is 16. That's done. I'll then look to see if there's anything to multiply or divide. There's not. And now I need to get rid of that exponent. So I'm going to use a reciprocal power, but I got to be careful on these steps. Anytime the numerator of my power is even, when I get rid of that, I'm going to have to include a plus or minus on the other side. So if I'm going to take a 3/2 to this side and 3/2 to this side, this original numerator was even, so I'm going to put plus or minus when I do that. Think about what multiplies by itself 2 times to give me 16. What times itself is 16? That'd be 4. Take that 4 to the 3rd power to get 64. And on the left side, these exponents would be multiplied together. They make 1, basically canceling them out. So I get the final answer of x equals plus or minus 64. That's it. If you wanted to take your calculator and check both of these, in parentheses you could put 64 to the 2/3 minus 9, and you'll see it'll tell you 7. If you take negative 64 in parentheses to the 2/3 minus 9, you still get positive 7. So both of these numbers do in fact work. If you forget the parentheses, you're doing it wrong. Put those parentheses around that negative 64, and the 2/3 on the outside. Good luck.